are in, I still think we're in Ubud, but we have arrived at a market and we are doing a cooking class today.
We're going to be making a large number of Balinese food, so yeah, come along with us.
Thank you so much.
Now you can open it from the top.
What's that then?
Yeah, it reminds me a bit like a lychee.
We've had this before, right?
We have, I think, yeah.
Good?
It's like an apple.
Yeah?
That looks like a bit of garlic.
Very nice. Sour.
Peanuts.
Peanuts, lovely. Very nice. Sugar, isn't it?
Coated in coconut. I really like that.
You know what is this? Getting closer a bit more. This one is similar to macadamia, but this one is candle nut. So in Bali anyway, this one we use to cook mie goreng or fried noodle. This one is the basic ingredients. What are they inside?
So there's like white pepper.
White pepper.
Black pepper as well?
Black pepper as well, yeah. And then
What is this one?
white and black.
Maybe fig or something?
Candle nut.
Sorry, not candle nut, nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Yeah, slice of nutmeg. Okay, I will explain a bit more, yeah, once again. So this one is our garam masala in Bali. So this one we call it Balinese garam masala. I mean different with Indian garam masala. Balinese garam masala always with 6 to 7 ingredients. So there are white pepper, black pepper, and then coriander seeds inside, candle nut, nutmeg, dried chili, and cloves. So but today in our class we don't add the cloves, so only 6 ingredients. So remember, but yeah. So because the chef or the teacher, they will asking you something about this. So yeah, don't forget. Yeah.
Kefir lime.
It smells like sambal. The onion sambal-y thing.
Yeah?
Yeah, it smells the exact same. We've just parked up and we are on our way to the cooking school now. It's a lovely area, isn't it? Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm really excited. Oh, and Nancy.
I'm here.
Wow, look how pretty this is. Oh, the doggy. Hello. Hello.
Is it, yeah?
Okay, sure.
For vegetarian, BFD. Only change chicken by tofu and tempe. Next chicken dish, Pepes Ayam from India. But this one is Balinese version. I mean in Bali we have also. And we have 3 more paste. 1, 2, 3. This one is coriander paste, the hardest one. Twist and grinding combination. Also, both hand it's better, more power. So the key is push really hard. Perfect, thank you. Rotate, not only in the middle, but side by side. Okay, I need 2 people first, please. One more. Oh, sorry, it's okay. This one is tempeh, guys. We already pre-cooked, fried for a few minutes now. It's like a bit brownish. Yeah. And this is the paste. Smell once again, please.
That's the coriander paste, isn't it?
This one's the coriander, yeah.
This one is quarter only. The salt is quarter.
Deep fried tempeh, done.
Smells so good.
If you like spicy, later you can request extra.
Wow,
Not spicy?
that's so good.
Less than.
So now we're making
After oil?
BFC, Bali fried chicken.
6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. And share bandang.
Yeah.
Master chef. Smells amazing.
Yeah. Good.
10 out of 10.
Okay, to make lawar Bali or Balinese salad, shredded coconut. Okay, so this one is shredded fresh coconut. Please take a little bit and taste. Take a little bit, like fresh. After slicing, we steam 5 minutes only. Steam 5 minutes, boil 15 minutes. Garam masala, kaffir lime leaf, lemongrass. Slice of lemongrass.
Chili.
Fried chili. And the yellow one is a special paste to make lawar, guys. Garlic and aromatic ginger. Garlic and aromatic ginger with additional turmeric or curcuma. It's ready to serve and it's ready to eat, guys. But you have to eat this one immediately. It doesn't last for more than 4 hours. Is it spicy?
No.
No at all? Mix this. Mix and squeeze. Make the palm sugar as well. Bamboo skewer or bamboo stick. So it's made of bamboo. We will put the dough here, like this, and push the dough, push down like this. Keep big on the top and smaller to the bottom.
Make the balls first and then stick them on the stick.
Put on the light side, not the dark one. The light is inside, please. Tidy. Next, roll the leaf.
There's one. Okay, perfect. What are we making?
Thank you. Break the egg. Please. After water, increase the heat, please. 9 o'clock.
Yes.
Dishes left peanut sauce, tomato sauce, and cakes. And then it's ready to have your lunch. To make peanut sauce, what is this? You need this one.
Peanuts.
Yeah, it must be peanut. Fried peanut. Fried shallot, a little bit water, sweet soy sauce or ketchup manis, sugar, salt, palm oil for everything today, lemongrass, always with kaffir lime leaf, lime, and the brown one, palm sugar. That's good.
That's absolutely amazing.
10 out of 10 easy.
Oh my god. Over 10. That's probably wrong.
Make a cup shape or spoon mortar shape like this. After that, half teaspoon palm sugar inside the hole. Close. Try to make no palm sugar comes out. Yeah. And then how do you cook this?
Excited for food?
Very, very excited.
We made that.
We did indeed.
Water? Yes.
So guys, that's us done at the cooking class. We had an absolute blast. The amount of food that you actually get to make yourself is incredible,
Oh
isn't
my
it?
god, yeah, we did take some home, but yeah, we took some home because there was loads and loads and loads left.
And we'll leave the name of it all. We booked it via Airbnb, so we'll leave a link to the Airbnb listing.
We'd 100% recommend though. I'd do that all over again, you know.
I want to do it now, but yeah.
Yeah, I'm actually.
Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.